Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Welcome to Oldies but Goodies Gen X Toons ATC cards. I am also doing it, or I should say, Sabrina _ Crafty _ Journey is also doing the Oldies but Goodies Gen X ATC card. And this week is Fraggle Rock. So I found an image, and this one actually goes this way instead of like this, as you can see. And I just put some background and some jewels, and it's this little cutout of Fraggle Rock. And there's Fraggle. Now, I didn't watch this as a child. I had to look this one up because I was like, Fraggle Rock, Fraggle Rock. So this was one that Sabrina came up with. And I wasn't a cartoon kid. I really wasn't. I think back and I go, nope, don't know that one. Oh, I remember the Smurfs and Bugs Bunny and Daffy Duck, but there's some in there I don't know, like Fraggle Rock. But thanks for watching, everybody. There's this week's ATC of Oldies but Goodies Gen X Toons ATC cards.